Fellas, welcome! And would you look at that beauty, the all-new Toyota Yaris 2020. God, it's gorgeous. Toyota claims this is a 3-liter car. I'd say let's put that to the test. The WLTP fuel consumption for the Yaris ranges from 3.8 to 4.3 liters depending on how much extras you have in your car. The Yaris has always been a pretty successful car. Since its debut, it's been sold more than 4 million times, and therefore it has made its way into the top 5 of the most popular small cars in Europe. The reason why the Yaris is so successful is because it has a hybrid drivetrain. It always had, also in the previous generations. And other cars in that segment like VW Polo, Ford Fiesta and I don't know, all the others, they don't have a hybrid option. And of course the newest car also features a hybrid drivetrain. 1.5 liter engine, 3 cylinders, 116 horsepower of system output. It feels quite good, especially if you start from the traffic light or at lower speeds. Accelerating feels pretty sporty. Of course, at higher speeds it's not that sporty anymore, but then of course it's a small car, a city car that is mainly in the city, maybe in the suburbs, but that's its main purpose, and for that it's really okay. The Yaris can only drive a few kilometers in purely electric mode, but that's alright since the e-motor's main purpose is to support the combustion engine. The headlights are equipped with LED technology to provide maximum safety in the dark. The new Yaris got a pretty sleek silhouette. I mean, look at the roofline, it's sloping down just a little bit. All in all, the car got 5 centimeters lower, but what does that mean for people sitting in the back? Yeah, I'd say it's okay. I mean, you can tell there's not very much space left, but I'm not yet hitting the seat with my knee, so that's okay. To the top, I'd say there is like that much space left. Without the hair, it's like not very much, but it's okay. What I also like is the dark ceiling. I don't like it when these are light colored, but I guess that's personal preference. Most of the people would say they feel like trapped inside, but I personally like it like that. The interior is pretty neat, not gonna lie. I like it, especially because it's kept in black. Almost everything is black here. Looks good. Steering wheel feels good. There are 2 things, however, I don't like. That's this one. Okay, you need it because this is the airbag, but it's, I don't know, maybe it's too round. I can't tell. It's not good. So, and the other thing is the infotainment system. The system as such is okay, but the way they put it here, it looks like they took it and then put it onto the dashboard and that's it. It's not properly integrated. They could have, like, there's space here. They could have put it inside and integrated into the dashboard so it flows, something like that. But okay, in the end, everything is fine. And what's really neat, you have a head-up display that shows your speed limit and so on. Pretty good. I like it. The Yaris features a bunch of the latest driver assistance and safety systems such as adaptive cruise control, lane assist and a center airbag. Whenever it sees the opportunity, the Yaris will use its electric motor to move forward. That's especially true when you start from a traffic light or when you go start-stop in traffic jam like we are in right now. I don't know what's going on in front there, but right now we're waiting, and as you can tell, the motor is off, so we're on our way purely electric. During my test drive I achieved an average of 3.9 liters, which technically still makes the Yaris a 3-liter car, even though it's closer to 4 liters. That's the good thing about these small cars. The Yaris is just under 4 meters long, you'll always find a parking space. And with the rear view camera it's even easier to get into that parking spot. An optional rear view camera will help even more. When it comes to comfort, the Yaris is good. I mean, it's not as loud as I would have expected it. The streets in Belgium here are not that good. The asphalt is pretty loud and you hear that on the inside, but it's still okay. I would not categorize the loudness of the car as disturbing. All in all, I would say the Toyota Yaris 2020 is a very nice car with a sweet ass design, a hybrid drivetrain and the latest in assistance and safety systems. Of course, the price for the hybrid version is almost 20,000 euros. That's not exactly a bargain, but you can also get it with a smaller gasoline engine, like a little more than 15,000 euros, and that's okay for a car that offers that much.